Doctrine of Proportionality. The doctrine of proportionality means that the punishment or administrative action must fit a nature and gravity of the offense. It ensures that the government does not use excessive or overly harsh methods to achieve its goals. An easy analogy is, you cannot use a sledgehammer to crack a nut. Courts use this doctrine to actively balance public interest against individual freedoms. A classic example is the Mrjsbhatti case, where the Supreme Court ruled that an indefinite internet shutdown was an excessive, unproportional response to security concerns. The four-step test of proportionality. For a government action to be considered proportional, it must pass four strict tests. Legitimate goal. The restriction must serve a valid public purpose, e.g., public safety, health, rational connection. The method chosen must actually help achieve that goal. Least restrictive means. The government must choose the option that causes the least amount of harm or interference to citizen rights. Balancing. Proportionality stricto sensu. The benefit to the public must outweigh the damage done to the individual's rights. Landmark example. Mrjsbhatti, Union of India, 2020. The case. The government imposed an indefinite, blanket internet shutdown in Jammu and Kashmir to maintain national security. The ruling. The Supreme Court of India held that while national security is vital, an indefinite internet ban is a severe violation of freedom of speech and trade. The court ruled that restrictions must be proportional, temporary, and limited only to specific areas where danger is imminent, rather than a total blackout. Difference. Proportionality vs. Mrjsbhatti unreasonableness. Mrjsbhatti unreasonableness. The court only intervenes if an administrative decision is completely absurd or irrational. The court does not look closely at the facts or the decision-making process. Proportionality. The court performs a deeper, proportionality review. It actively balances the government's goals against the citizens' rights to see if a less harmful alternative was available.